much everything else you could think of. One-of-one shields, black one-of-ones, gold kabooms, regular kabooms, this, that, and the third. Like, anything you can think of, I've pulled, except a gold kaboom, man. I mean, a green kaboom. A green kaboom is the only thing I have not pulled in my life. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Good luck, guys. Kobe, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you, my friend. Guys, let's get this thing started. Make sure everybody is following us in the top left-hand corner. Make sure... Wow, 77-62. Oh, my Lakers. Oh, my Lakers. Jeez. Jeez. That's a third quarter score right there, dude. That is insane. That is insane. Make sure everyone's double tapping that screen, sharing out that live. Following your boy down below, Jersey TBR. That is myself. My name's Ariel, if you don't know me. Welcome into the break room. And we do have pre-order for tomorrow morning's break. It is going to be Topps Chrome Disney. First time we're ever ripping Topps Chrome Disney here. We're ripping right now, Anthony. Topps Chrome Disney is live down below in the shop. That's going to be ripped tomorrow morning. It comes in at 10:30 a.m. Let's get this party started, baby. Let's get this party started, baby. Good luck, everyone. This is hobby, baby.
Hobby.
This is hobby. We don't really do retail breaks here. We sometimes have it in the shop for personals. Like maybe if Optic comes around, we might do some like downtown chases and stuff. But we did like a couple kaboom calendars. Like when the thing comes, oh, Disney's gonna be hobby, baby. We ain't fucking around. We ain't fucking around. Hobby, baby. You already know what it is. You already know what it is. Kaboom first pack.
I was like kaboom second first box, but I don't know about that. I say third box.
We have Kyle Hamilton on the base for the Ravens. Amon-Ra St. Brown for the Lions. Jonathan Taylor on the auto. Going to the Colts. That's sweet. Too bad he was ass today. Whole Colts team was ass. Matty Golden on the rookie force to 49. And then we have Texas. Woo. Jalen Noel. And who's the other guy? Higgins? Gold to 10. Gold to 10. Higgins? Yep, it is Higgins. Noel and Higgins. That is an awesome hit for the Texans right there. That is an awesome hit for the Texans right there. Freddie, gold to 10. Gold to 10. And that's you? Hell yeah, dude. Let's go. Hell yeah, dude. There's Trey McBride. Go from the back here. Another Colt, number to 375 on the rookie, JT Tumialo. There is Maxwell Harrison, number to 199 for the Bills. Vet JT auto, I know, right? I know, right? DJ Moore on the burners. Here comes our RPA. Show me something big. Show me something big. Elijah Arroyo to 299 on the RPA. Going to the Chickens. Going to the Chickens. Elijah Arroyo scored too? Hell yeah, what a time. What's the score, like 35-7? It's like 35-7? JSN? Wow. Saquon Barkley. Ashton Genty to 150 going to the Raiders. To the Raiders. There's Tyler Warren on the rookie patch to 49. Landon Jackson for the Bills on the auto number to 100. For the Bills. To turn around. Hey, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. What's it say? Apixify? Thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the break room, guys. We're live almost every day. Weekends are like 50-50 lives. Usually at least one day, Saturday or Sunday. Some days we're on every day of the week. Sometimes we're on every day of the week. But Monday through Friday, we're live 10 a.m. to like midnight. Our buddy Marcus runs the night live. I run the day lives. I run the weekend lives. We have some fun here. Andrew, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you, man. James Cook. Go from the back here. Dapper Duo. To 75. This is going to go to TFN. Tyler Felt. That's Ty Felton. I believe that's Vikings.
Yes, Moody, this is the last one in the case.
I believe that's Vikings. These are the last 4 of the case, Moody. There's Travion Henderson and Kyle Williams on the team tandem. Should be. And then we have Bucky Irving on the vet auto. Okay. Bucky needs to come back and start going off again.
He will be. He'll back shortly.
Ooh. Well, there's our RPA. That was going to be on the third one.
Base.
Mason Taylor on the RPA. Dude, these have been I think these have honestly gone up a lot more since we've gotten them. I can look up what the asking is in a little bit. Off the top of my head, I'm not too sure. Mason Taylor to 99 RPA with the laundry tag going to the Jets. Jets would have eaten a full case break. There's Ladd McConkey going to the Chargitos. David Njoku, number to 50, going to the Brownies. And a Kenneth Grant, 375. What's up, DK? DK? Jordan James on the color match red to 199. There's Jack Besh on the rookie patch, number 240? 49? Number to 49. Hey, thank you for the follow. Quentin Johnston and Legends auto for the Eagles, Clyde Simmons. Clyde Simmons to 35, Legend auto for the Birds. For the Birds. They're going to make us sweat this thing, man. Come on. This is your call, right? Third box. The last one you called it, but it was a glass came out, so you were close. Let's see. What up, Nate?
What's up, Matt? Not you, welcome in.
There's Justin Fields. There's Michael Williams on the RPA going to the Niners. Go to the Niners, Freddie. DeMario Davis, Cam Jordan. That's sweet. On the dual patch for the Saints. Trey Amos, number to 199. Little color match for the Commanders. And then we have a Mason Graham, number to 25. There we go. Number to 25.
Hope we don't, but
Don't even say it. Don't even say it, brand new. Don't even say it. That's what I like to see, James. Yes, that's what I want. That's what I want. Could it come out right here? We have Redemption. I think that might be it. I think that might be it.
Let's go!
Yep, we got one. We got one. No, we got a Kaboom, baby. We got a Kaboom, baby. Good luck. Good luck. Lad McConkey. Kamara. Pat Bryant on the auto. Pat Bryant on the auto. Pat Bryant.
Last box too, right?
The last case.
It's Colts guy, right? I mean, Broncos guy, right? Marcus Allen! Super Bowl! Kaboom! Going to the Raiders. The Raiders. Congratulations, Raiders. Brian, you've been hot with your calls, dude.
My dog's him!
You've been hot with your calls. Who's got Raiders? Bunch Z. Bunch Z. Could have sworn it was going to be Genty. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who's Bunch Z? Can we get a second one in the next box? Bro, this pack does not like me here. There we go. Ooh. Joe Mixon, Jake Jettis, Shador, Sanders, rookie auto to 50. Rookie auto to 50 going to the Brownies. On the divvy, let's go. On the divvy, let's go. Isaac Tesla on the rookie patch and a Will Howard rookie wave to 50. Hell yeah, Dr. Jones. Hell yeah, man. You're paid off that from a divvy. You're paid. Straight up, maybe not, but you're paid off a divvy on that. All day. Let's go. All right, guys. Last box magic. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Tank. Marvin Harrison. That's sick. Michael Vick on the auto to 75 color match. Going to the Falcons. Gage. Yeah, we got that's the cardboard trash can over there. That's the cardboard trash can over here. We got the Michael Vick. Dog. Number 7. I'm a dog. It's over when it's over. Caleb Johnson and a Dylan Gabriel Hog Haven to 150 going to the Brownies.
Jeez.
It's another numbered card for the Browns. They're catching hot. They're catching fire.
JD's hurt.
Again? Ay, ay, ay. Just bench him for the... Bad? Oh, no. Carding off? There's Genty. 375 for the Raiders. Staying hot as always. There's Nick Imwanyori to 150.
Aircast.
Oh, shit. Jacobs to 90. Why was he still even in the game? Aren't they getting, like, wrecked? I don't know. I'm not a coach. No. No.
Career ending, Brent, or no?
Terrence Ferguson on the RPA. Going to the Rammies. Going to the Rammies. They went to commercial real quick.
Shit.
Ruh-roh.
I'll have to watch the recap. No replay? I'll probably show it somewhere.
You have to watch somebody posting it. Alright, no second kaboom. Khalil Shakir.
Season ending.
Derrick Henry.
That sucks.
Aaron Jones to 199. There's R.J. Harvey on the rookie patch. And Princely Umalamaluma. Gold to 10.
Shit.
Princely Umalamaluma. Gold to 10. A rookie auto to end out the break. Guys, I want to thank every single one of you who guys got a team. Every single one of you who's watching us tonight. Hanging out, following us. I want to give a shout out to all you guys. Just want to give a shout out to all you guys.
Thanks,
yep,
Yogi
last
D.
team Magic. Thank you all so much, guys. Can't get this done without you. We have Disney. Start grabbing your characters down below. Your characters and your movies. It's Disney Chrome. Disney is outselling football, basketball, baseball, hockey. Even Pokemon, dude. Yep, that is a Vic. That is a Vic for the Falcons. Oh, it's his arm?
Knee.
Is it knee or arm? Wow.
Knee looks like it
Could be
gone.
everything. Who hit him?
Arms in the cast. Is Wagner still? No, he's not on there.
Who hit him? Kaylee, what's going on? How we doing? It's on Tweety. His arm went. Throwing arm or other arm? Throwing arm? How we doing, Kaylee?
Yeah, it's throwing arm.
Yeah. At least it's not his throwing arm. At least it's not his throwing arm. It's the only positive thing you could probably take from that. Hell yeah, Kaylee. So, guys, your Disney movies and characters are available down below for tomorrow's breaks. If you want to get your spot secured, we will be ripping that at 10:30 a.m. Yeah, Alley Boy. Alley Boy, yeah, I got you on the recap. Who wasn't kidding racing the Giants? But I guess when they do hit, they go wild. What's the dark kaboom's going for these days? I wonder what the purple one did. Oh my, here we go. That's a Super Bowl kaboom. First time ever. First time they've ever done Super Bowl kabooms. Caleb Johnson, Tesla, Matty Golden, Matty G, Team Tandem for the Pats, JT, Maxwell, RPA of Terrence Ferguson, Kenneth Grant. We have Aaron Jones, Demario Davis, Cam Jordan, Jordan James color match, Genty to 375, Nick E, Josh Jacobs to 99, Trey Amos, David Njoku to 50. Browns did well. Mason Graham, Michael Vick, dog on the auto, Bucky on the auto, Pat Bryant on the redemption. This is going to the Texans, a dual rookie gold to 10 of Noel and Higgins. Noel and Higgins. Princely to 10 on the gold rookie auto going to the Panthers. Will Howard to 50. Landon Jackson, rookie auto to 100. Another Ashton Genty. DJ Moore. Jonathan Taylor. RJ Harvey. Shador Sanders to 50. On the auto, we got Michael Williams on the RPA. Elijah Arroyo, he scored tonight, RPA. Tyler Warren on the rookie patch. Dylan Gabriel to 150. Lad McConkey on the patch. Jack Vesh. Mason Taylor, laundry tag RPA. Clyde Simmons on the Legends auto to 35. And then last but not least, the Marcus Allen Super Bowl horizontal kaboom, baby. Very nice.